Okay, so after you completed the ed puzzle, hopefully you have kind of an idea about graphing inequalities. And there's two things that we need to know when we are graphing inequalities. We need to know what kind of circle it is. Is it open or is it closed? And the direction of the arrow. So am I going to the right or am I going to the left? So remember that open circles are just greater than or less than. So in here are the symbols that we're looking for. And the open circle just looks like this on the number line. Now, it is opened because the number is not included. So when you see a problem like this one where it says x is greater than -6 is not included in the number line when graphing. As opposed to a closed circle, when we have a greater than or equal to, you see there's a line underneath the greater than sign. That means it is also included in the range of answers. Same thing with less than or equal to. So when it has the line underneath the comparison sign, that means that we are going to have a closed circle. The number is included in the range of answers, and our circle looks like this. The next thing that we need to know is the direction of the line. So to the right is going to be our greater than. So our greater than sign is going to go to the right. It's going to go to the right of 0, or towards 0 to the right. And greater than or equal to, so along with, along with greater than, it is also equal to. So anytime that it is greater than, it's going to go to the right. To the left is when you see the less than. So kind of think less than left, less than left. It kind of sounds similar. So less than or equal to also goes to the left. So when you see the less than or equal to sign, your arrow should go to the left. All right, so I'm going to do a few examples, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to translate it. So we've done this multiple times before when solving just expressions or solving equations. We've always translated our math to English. So remember, we're going to read it from left to right like a sentence. So this is going to be x is, and this is my greater than sign. So greater than. There's no line underneath, so it's just greater than -6. So I know I'm going to have an open circle. That's the first thing. There's no or equal to. So I'm going to have an open circle. So I'm going to find -6, and I'm going to put an open circle there. Now I know that it says greater than. So on my list here, greater than tells me it's going to go to the right. So all of these are greater than -6, all of these choices. So -5 is greater than, 2 is greater than, 4 is greater than, 0 is greater than. So this is how I would graph x is greater than -6. Okay, and the next one, it says, again, let's just translate it to English. So x is, this is my less than or equal to sign right here, right? It kind of looks like a bent L. The smaller side is first. So I know it's less than or equal to because of the line underneath. So is less than or equal to 4. So I know I'm going to have a closed circle because it says those magic words or equal to. So I'm going to find 4 and I'm going to put a closed circle there. And I know it's a less than, so less than tells me what direction. It's going to tell me to go to the left, right? Less than or equal to goes to the left. And that is this way. And that is how you graph inequalities.